This is Yogi. Yogi is a silky chicken, and she is very tiny than a regular chicken. She's just laying on my leg. I would show you my other chicken, but Yogi kind of lay down, and now I can't get her up.
Flying around over there, but they have some here.
If you have children who want chickens, silkies are the way to go. Because as you can see, they're so cute and tiny. Yogi is a female bird, and we do have a male silkie, which are very kind. They don't hurt people or kids or anyone, to be honest. So yeah, they're really good pets to have. Right, Yogi? Right, he keeps you nice and safe. Yogi loves and scratches. Oh, I accidentally spilled some on it. Help me.
Is she just snuggling with you? Come on, let's go inside.
Oh, you're so cute, Yogi. Oh, careful, careful. Slow down. Sorry guys, you can't see Yogi right now, but she's drinking. Yogi loves her water. Any more? Whoa! Careful, careful! You gotta be careful, Yogi. You can't just be walking around on me like that. Okay, Yogi, I'll let you go. Are you just gonna sit there? Anyways, let me go get my other chicken. You're a bit more feisty, so come here. I'm not gonna put you inside, I swear. Come here. Here, I want to show you to everyone. Go this way. Don't know if you pooped or not, but this is him. He is a male silkie, and his name is Cheerio. He's a bit more feisty, so I can't show him on camera. But he has blue cheeks. Yogi does not, sadly. Hey, Yogi! 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 You completely missed. Hey, Cheerio! Anyways, yeah, those are them. Yogi is a very good bird. They have a very nice enclosure. Well, it's not really an enclosure, but they have to live in here so that they don't die. The Cheerios like the nicest rooster ever. He can't even hurt a fly. He's also not a very good rooster because when we first got him, he was kind of locked in a cage where his owner kind of put him there earlier. But we did not do that. Yep. I'm joking. Let me show you my other chickens who are a lot meaner that I got hurt by. But we're not going to talk about that. Anyways, come with me and I will show you my friends. At least my other friends. And it's kind of hard to get out of this. Ow. Bye, Yogi. Bye, Cheerio. It's very nice snuggling with you, Yogi. Okay. And my other chickens. There are more of them. So, brown and black one is Hawk. And both of those are Midnight. I don't have food, guys. And the rest of them are in there. Oh, hi, Foghorn. That's Belle over there. That's our rooster, if you can see him. He's the one who hurt me. Do I care? No. No, I probably should. Anyways, bye guys. I will show you their enclosures later. Bye.